Alright, so there's an app that comes with this, theoretically. As my understanding, it's like a Sport Touch type thing, so we'll take a look. What I'm going to do is look up Dragon Touch Vision 3. Touch Vision 3, it's automatically pulled up, so we'll go ahead and search for that. And I understand it's a green dot. I believe it is this one right here. I don't know. None of the user manuals tell me what I should be using, so I don't know. But when I pull it up, that's what it is. Yeah, it doesn't seem to tell me the app or anything that I'm supposed to use. But it looks like the one I saw with the other online reviews, so we'll try that. Go ahead and install that. Accept. While that's installing, it's going to confirm. See here, I don't show anything for apps. I don't know. Oh hey, there we go. There's something, finally, right back here. XDV app. So, obviously, I was wrong. So let's do the XVD. It's that top one. Go ahead and install that. Actually, before we do, let's see what the rating was on that. A 3.1 rating. Not a terribly great rating, but that's okay. We'll go ahead and do that. So it's only an 8.27 megabyte install. Go ahead and open that. And let's see what else instructions say. So screen's popping on. Trying to connect to Wi-Fi. So the camera's not turned on right now, but pretty much the app is set up and ready to go. Right now it is connected to my personal Wi-Fi, it looks like. So what we'll do is maybe just plug in my phone or my new camera. I go ahead and take this sticker off. There are two stickers. So there's one sticker. Then there's a second one. Do you see the bubble up on there? There you go. There's a bubble up here. Ouch. Ooh, that is a very sharp, non-forgiving protector. You know what? I think I'm just going to leave it for now. So, we're just going to go ahead and plug in my camera. This new nifty little camera. Uses a regular cell phone plug. So, plug that right in. Turns right on. Ooh, look at that. Camera inception. So what it says to download, ooh, look at the awesome spelling on download. Download. So download the app on your smartphone or tablet, like we did. Press the power button on our power mode. Press the power/mode button on the camera. I don't think I need to do that because it's already powered on, but there's your power mode button. Make sure camera is on, camera mode or video mode, which I understand it is. Looks like it anyways. You can see my messy desk. Cool. Press the up button for 3 seconds is what it says, and that's the up button. So 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Wi-Fi. In your smartphone or tablet settings, connect to the network called AutoCam. That's what it says. Action Cam. Sorry, it was further away on my screen than I was expecting. So I don't see one on here like that. There's a ton of Xfinity ones. Let's try this again. So maybe we'll close out of the app, load it back up. Camera turned off. So as you can see, it's Action Cam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And And hopefully, here it is. I don't know why it's not number 1. But there it is, randomly on the bottom. And the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Done. Of course, don't steal my Wi-Fi password. Oh, connect. Little connect button up there. Oh, it's not going to connect. Do you want to know why? My stupid power cord came undone. Try this again. Alright, so it's turning on. We already know the steps. Press and hold up 3 seconds. 2, 3. Wi-Fi on. Or not. Fine. 1, 2, 3. Wi-Fi. And we're going to find action camera on here again. And again, the Wi-Fi connection is not at the top. Maybe go back again. So annoying. Why isn't it loading up? How come there's not a scan button? So go back. Maybe open again. Searching list. Action cam, way down there at the bottom again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Done. And connect. There we go. So it said it couldn't, and then it says it connected, and now it says it's connecting. Ta-da! Cameraception. So now I'm connected to the Wi-Fi on my camera. Ta-da! It's kind of nifty. So there we go. That's how you connect the app to your phone. Took us about 7 minutes to figure that out. But now that you know how to do it, you should be able to do it faster. There you go.